everybody, I'm here today to tell you and show you how to make your writing longer. This will be an easy tutorial for longer essays. If you want to have longer writing, this is the video for you. Now, believe it or not, I was the king of this in my high school, college, and university days. Yes, that's right. I graduated from high school, then I graduated from college, then I graduated from university, then I graduated from graduate school as well. So I was the absolute king of this stuff, and I'm not exaggerating. I could take a 500-word essay, turn it into a 5,000-word essay when I was done, okay? Literally, okay? Now, this is how you do it. There are essentially 4 key things that you can do to make this work, okay? Number 1 is to add fluff to your intro and conclusion. Now, you can add fluff anywhere in the essay, but the introduction, the intro paragraph or paragraphs, and conclusion paragraph or paragraphs are absolutely key to this. They are the easiest places to add the fluff to. What you want to do is go back into them, read the intro, 1 sentence at a time, and figure out where you can add either an additional sentence or lengthen the pre-existing sentence. So in an introduction, you're not really presenting any evidence, okay? So that's why it's easy to add extra sentences in there, because you're not adding any supporting evidence. You're just talking about the general idea of the topic. Let's say your essay is about dogs. You can incorporate more dog sentences into that intro. And in the conclusion, the same thing follows. You're not supporting anything. There's no evidence. You can just add in more sentences or lengthen the pre-existing sentences using pretty much anything that relates to the topic, okay? This is a key way to add hundreds of words to your essay, just in that adding fluff to your intro and conclusion, okay? Number 2, okay, you want to add some quotes. Now, you don't want to go overboard with the quotes, because that is a key when someone's looking at your essay. If they see so many quotes, like, you're just trying to add some space in there, add some fluff in there. But if you want to see your cadence of your quotes. Wow, there's a Lamborghini driving right there. That's crazy. I'm sorry. I just want to go down the street and see what kind of Lamborghini it is before I head home. Anyways, add some quotes. This guy driving the Lamborghini, that guy added some quotes, okay? That guy added some quotes to his essay. Let me tell you, for sure he did. For sure he was cranking out 5,000-word essays. Anyways, by adding quotes at a good quote cadence, which will all depend on your actual essay, you're able to lengthen it. And also, if you have a reference section at the end of your essay, when you add the quotes, you're going to increase your reference section too, which means that what you hand in is going to be like significantly longer, because you're going to have quotes, and also your references will be longer as well. So key factor there is adding quotes will most definitely help you increase the length of your essay, okay? Don't go crazy with it, but add a good amount of quotes and keep the same quote cadence. If you added 2 quotes for each supporting paragraph, make sure you keep that cadence for all the supporting paragraphs. Don't do 2, 2, 2, 0. Right? So that's how you can add some more to match up with your previous paragraphs that you did. And if you didn't add any quotes, then definitely go through and add some in, because they will really beef up that essay, okay? Sorry, got distracted by the Lamborghini. Back to business over here. Number 3 is include some transitional phrases. So transitional phrases are groups of sentences that essentially mean the same thing as smaller wordings, okay? So essentially, if you add something like, I have some examples here, to the best of my knowledge, right? That means the same thing as I think. But not only is it longer, but it sounds better. So instead of saying, I think that, you say, to the best of my knowledge. And yes, I'm saying it like that because you sound very high class when you write these things. It's gonna probably earn you a better mark, hopefully, okay? Another one is that, like, you could do like, either as you can tell, or in regards to. It just means like about. So as you can tell means like what you can see, okay? And you can add that anywhere anyway. So like, as you can tell, just to clarify, I mixed myself up there. Just to clarify, as you can tell, you can add anywhere. It just reinforces the sentence that's going to come up. And as you can tell, it's a free 4 words right there. Free 4 words for you. And you can add that quite a few times in there, okay? And then in regards to is the same thing as about. So instead of saying about, say in regards to. So you can add in all of these transitional phrases. Go and search up transitional phrases. You're gonna find tons, and like you can literally replace them all throughout the essay, and you can add easily a couple hundred words to your essay if you have a good amount of them that you add in. Because if you're adding 5 words here, 4 words there, 8 words there, by the time that you're done, a couple hundred words hopefully. Okay, now don't overuse the same one. Change it up, but definitely add them in. And then if you can add in a transitional phrase and an additional sentence, now we're talking about big time increasing the density of your essay. So let's say you add in a transitional phrase and also an additional sentence after that transitional phrase. So like there was never a sentence here, but you're saying something like, to the best of my knowledge, blah, 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 and you add in the sentence there. That's many words that you've added in for free, essentially, okay? Last but not least is number 4, which is add more supporting evidence. Now, this serves 2 purposes. This will make your essay longer, but it will also make your essay better. So it's a key here. It's a key factor to add more supporting evidence. For everything that you're trying to prove, you can add more supporting evidence, okay? And when you add that evidence, it makes it longer, because one piece of supporting evidence can be 3 or 4 sentences easily. So you can make it significantly longer, and you're proving your points even more, which is even better. That's it. That is how to make your writing longer and how to write longer essays. Like I said, if I could tell you the number of essays that I took that were like 500 words, and I just, really, like I really added things on to make them longer, I couldn't even tell you. Like if I had $1 for them each, like I'd be driving the Lamborghini that I saw before. Okay, like put it that way. So literally. Okay, anyways, if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.